Hi, I'm Deborah. I'm a mother, a grandmother, a business owner, and a woman who spends a whole lot of time in airports. I travel almost every week as a contract auditor and consultant, exploring small-town America, one business trip at a time. When I'm not traveling, you can usually find me splashing in the waters of Central Florida. Alligators and sharks be damned. This is my first vlog, and I'm excited to bring you along for the miles, the memories, the moments, and the unexpected adventures that midlife travel brings. Welcome to Deb's Midlife Miles. This week's adventure starts right here at home as I pack for another 4-day business trip. I travel almost every week as a contract auditor, so packing has become a well-practiced routine, even if I still manage to forget something every now and then.
You thought you saw a flash of light, 'cause I'm the one who owns the night. You thought you heard a distant thunder, but it was just me stealing all your wonder.
Today I'm heading to Terre Haute, Indiana, a small town with big weather energy, as you'll see later. But first, the usual, the drive to the airport, parking, and hoping security isn't too busy.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome aboard American Airlines with service to Charlotte.
I like to watch YouTube on my flights, and I have this little travel hack for you. If you use a wallet-style phone case, tuck the front flap into the pocket above the device holder and let the phone hang. The flight attendants won't ask you to take it down during takeoff or landing. I stopped by the American Airlines lounge for a quick bite. Nothing fancy, but when you travel as much as I do, a quiet corner and a plate of something warm feels like luxury.
And we're off. A smooth flight into Indiana with a nice view on the way down. Unfortunately, this is where things got interesting. So, funny story. I filmed my whole arrival, the rental car pickup, and even the hotel room tour. And then my SD card decided it was done with me. So we're jumping ahead quite a bit. By day 3, I was in full work mode. Quick breakfast, coffee, and out the door. Terre Haute is a small town, but the people are friendly and the pace is slow, which I appreciate. Dinner that night was delicious. Just a little splurge after a long few work days, a full tummy, and a few drinks. It just felt right. And then the weather changed. What started as a cloudy afternoon turned into something much more dramatic. There were confirmed tornadoes to the west, south, and east of my hotel. And of course, I was on the top floor of the only 5-story building in that part of town. Because why not add a little adrenaline to a business trip? Here's a quick hotel safety tip. Loop a handtail around the latch. It adds a little extra resistance and makes it harder for the door to be opened from the outside. Simple but effective. Well, day 4 came quickly. Time to pack up, return the rental car, and head home. The sky is finally cleared.
You thought you heard a distant thunder, but it was just me stealing all your wonder. And I'm on the move. Got a brand new groove. They wanna hit the brakes, stop the show, but I'm the only way to go. You know, wow, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thanks for joining me on this not-so-routine business trip. If you enjoy calm, real-life travel vlogs with a little humor and the occasional unexpected twist, no pun intended, I'd love to have you along for the next journey. Landing back in Tampa at night is always so beautiful. The city lights feel like a welcome home sign. One last drive and another week of midlife miles is complete. Please subscribe to get notified when I post again. And if you see something you like, don't be afraid to hit that like button. See you on the next trip.